Hi, I'm Tamar. My family and we chose to work with Yossi and GBU on our project. And I was the architect on the project and working closely with Yossi and his team, and we absolutely love the result. Yossi and his team were very much available for any questions that we had, and it was just great to work with them because we were able to find creative solutions for any problems that we happened to stumble upon, and overall, very successful process. From the get-go, Yossi offered us to help with anything needed for permitting processes and communication with the city. Because I'm in the business and a lot of the work I did myself, but we really appreciated that he offered to help. And whenever we did need the help, the extra help from him to come and be there with us, then he was there. And it was just really great. Each time we had an inspection for the project, Yossi was here and he helped us make sure that everything went smoothly with the inspector, and we passed it right away, flying colors. I think the main thing that we really appreciate with Yossi is the fact that he was able to make this project happen, which I'm not sure that we would have been able with anyone else with the budget and the timeline that we had. And knowing that Yossi was there for us throughout the process and every step of the way, it was very helpful, and he made the project see to its end, which from my experience in this business, it doesn't always happen, and it was extremely important, obviously, but also the outcome was so great that we are just very thankful. Very happy with the project overall, and very happy with working with Yossi, and if we have any future projects coming up, we'll definitely reach out to Yossi for quotes.